Hi guys, welcome to your 15th tutorial, and we get back to the CSS. Now, looking at this paragraph here, there's other things we can do. We can actually change, say, the line height, okay? So if we put in P, we open the curly bracket, and dropping it down to here, and we go line, see where I get the telesense, stroke height. Now this one, just to show you first of all, I'll make it say 20%, okay? So I'm going to close off this here. Now I'm going to save that. I'm going to run it, launch in Firefox again, and let's just see what we're going to get. This just up here now. So there we go. Just refresh that. There we go. It's 20% now. Just to show you that it is actually there and bigger. Again, let's just change it to 200%. So we'll go back in here and refresh this and just watch this part here. See it got bigger. That's your line height. Okay, let's see what else I want to look at here. Line height is done. Let's just do a style. So we're going to go font, stroke, style, and you see where it comes up. Oops, and we will go for ITALIC italic. Okay, so we save that, and we go back in here and watch the writing. See, italic. Okay guys, that's all I have for this tutorial, and hopefully I'll see you again in tutorial 16. Take care, bye.